So we'll choose English.
Yes.
Select language, yes. Hit accept.
Yes.
Now I want to configure this device. If you mess up that timing, any species whether I'm talking to. Swim bait cod. Sonar is on the pet and the abrasingness of the jaw. So for now we'll choose miles, feet, Fahrenheit, lakes, regular fishing, finish. So you'll never have to do that again. First things first, we'll make sure your unit is up to date. Press the pages button, settings, down to wireless. So we go to Wi-Fi networks, choose my phone, enter my password, press connect. Now we're connected to my phone. So now we'll check your system for updates. Now we're connected to the internet, pages button, settings, in system, you go into about, support, check system for updates. Says the unit is up to date, current version 19.1, available version 19.1. So now I want to set up the transducer that you've got installed.
Yep.
Pages button again, settings, sonar, installation. So transducer type, it's already automatically selected that itself.
Yep.
So we'll just hit save. Now we'll set up your unit. So we've got the depth in feet,
Yep.
but we'll set up your temperature in Celsius. So settings again, units. So in here you can change everything you want. You can have your distance, small, speed, temperature. We'll put that back in Celsius.
Yep.
That's all you need to do. So get out of that. Now you've got your menu that sits on the side here. You can set that up to auto hide. So similarly press pages again, settings, advanced. So you've got user interface, it'll auto hide menu. Get back out of all that. Now basically we're left to set it up and go play in the water.
Sounds like a plan.
Righto mate, we're out in the water.
Yes.
I'll show you some of these basic key functions. You only have 4 to really play with.
Okay.
And then we'll idle around a bit and we'll see if we can't find some fish.
Righto, sounds great.
This one's called pages button.
Okay.
So if you press it, shows you the different pages that you can choose.
Rightio. Yep.
You can customise your own page or you can use a combination of any.
Oh, yes.
This one,
Yep.
flag for a waypoint.
Okay.
Push it once. You can edit your waypoint.
Okay. Yes.
Hit save. You can choose symbols, whatever you want.
Perfect.
Change the colours, you can change the name.
Yep.
Or alternatively, push it twice,
Yes.
automatically creates one. Another thing with the waypoint, wherever your cursor is on the screen,
Yes.
that'll create a waypoint.
Ah, righto. Okay.
So if we saw a fish over here for example,
Yep.
touch on him, hit the waypoint,
Uh-huh.
creates a waypoint for that fish. This buttons,
Yes.
plus or minus as they say, whatever screen you're in,
Yep.
they will zoom it. So
Oh,
it
okay.
zooms you out. Final button is your power button.
Okay.
Press it once, you can put this unit into standby, just puts it to sleep, saves your battery.
Okay. Yep.
Touch the screen, it'll wake back up. You've got a few options. You can get to your settings menu from the power button. You can turn it off. You can adjust your brightness for when you're barra fishing in the night. When you adjust your brightness,
Yep.
so you'll be barra fishing in the night,
Yes.
you'll do that.
Yep.
In the morning you turn it on and this is what it'll look like.
Right. And you've forgotten where your
Yeah.
button is.
So the other option is to toggle your power button
Okay.
and that adjusts your brightness. So if you ever turn it on and it's black and you went barra fishing last night, that's
Yep.
why. Go to your pages.
Yep.
You've got GPS plus 2D. So there's our waypoints we created before. That's how
yeah.
you'll find them.
Yeah, right. Cool.
So there's an orange square
Yes,
around
I
what
can
they
see
call
that.
the active window.
Okay.
Or the plus or minus is on that screen.
On the active window.
So this will work on that screen.
Yep.
Touch this screen.
Now
See
it's
they
on
go
there.
across.
Okay.
You
Yep.
can use them on here to
Yep.
zoom in.
Righto. Cool.
Or you can use this to zoom in.
Okay. Yep.
When you're in something, so we go into side scan for example, you have your controls down the side. They'll go away, but if you
Yep.
want to look at controls, which you won't need to play with, push menu,
And back up again.
there they
Right.
are. So this is what we call side scan, which is what predominantly you'll use to find barramundi.
Yep.
Center line
Yes.
is where you are. From there to there is the water next to you.
Yep.
So because we're only in 9 feet of water,
That's the
you
water.
only see a little bit. So you won't always see fish in this section
Right, okay.
on your side scan because the fish could be 50 feet away.
Yes.
So that's
Yep.
your
Fish.
sonar bouncing back,
Yep.
and the shadow will show you sort of what it is.
Where
So
the fish is.
sometimes you only see a little white line,
Yep.
or sometimes you might see a big white mark, depends on the size of the fish.
Yep.
All this here
Yep.
is a bait school.
Okay, righto.
The closer those two are together,
Yep.
the closer your black dot and your white mark are together,
Yep.
the closer that fish is to the bottom. Because the shadow is essentially where this unit can't see the bottom
Okay.
because that fish is in the way.
Right, okay.
Look at this image here. So you have two
Yep.
barra there.
Oh, yes.
You have a tree that gives you a reflection.
Yep.
And you have the shadow of the tree.
Yeah, right.
And you have another barramundi here that's really close to the bottom, and you have 3 or 4 barramundi there.
Wow.
So this is probably a good spot to waypoint.
To waypoint, yep.
So we'll set it as a school of fish.
Okay.
Save that. If we don't find anything better, we can come back to you. See, look, there's a lot
Yeah.
rolling through here now.
Yeah, right, okay.
All barramundi.
Right.
So when the trees are vertical and you're
Yes.
right near them, you won't see too much on the white, but you'll tell what the tree looks like running that way.
Yeah, right.
Good barra near the bottom.
Yep.
The white is the fish,
Shadow.
that's your reflection from your
Yeah,
transducer.
Right. So he's quite
And-
close to the bottom.
Yep.
Yeah,
And a
right.
decent size. He has a little mate over here.
Yep.
See this edge here?
Yep.
That's also the edge of that. Outside of those timber, it's real shallow there.
So he's sitting.
Comes up into real shallow, so he's not far.
Yep.
So you'd mark him, you put a little thing on him,
Yep.
press waypoint.
Yep.
We'll save him as a single fish. Hit save.
Yep.
Now we can go back to a combination of that and that. And then we can drive back and we can go target that fish.
Yeah.
So this is your 2D.
Yep.
So all this is just bait.
Right, okay.
And that's your bottom, obviously. The bottom showing up
Yeah.
fairly hard.
Yep.
The yellower something is, the stronger the return of the fish or the bait.
Okay.
So
Yep.
hard on the bottom.
Yep. Okay.
I don't like our chance of driving over a barramundi to show you a barramundi.
Yep.
But a barramundi will look very similar to that,
Okay.
but with a bit more yellow in it. Righto, mate. I basically taught you everything I know now.
Yes.
So you know where they are.
Beautiful.
The rest is up to you.
Good on you, buddy. Thank you very much.
Good luck. I'll see you later.
Righto.